Have you ever tried to create a stunning web page only to be frustrated by the background color not behaving the way you want? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to set the background color of a page when scrolling off the body. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your design doesn't work as expected, especially on touch devices like mobile phones and tablets. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to set the background color of a page when scrolling off the body. They tried setting the background color of the HTML, but they want a white background at the bottom of the page. They even considered using a gradient. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? When you scroll off the body, the background color can sometimes not display as intended, especially on touch devices. This can lead to a less than ideal user experience. But don't worry, we have solutions. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you create a seamless scrolling experience for your users. To achieve the desired background color effect when scrolling off the body, the user should start by setting the background color of the HTML element. This will ensure that the background color is applied to the entire page. Next, the user should set the background color of the body element to white. This will create a smooth transition when scrolling down the page. Now, to create a seamless transition between the two colors, the user can use a gradient background for the body. This will help blend the colors together as the user scrolls. Finally, the user should ensure that the body has enough height to allow for scrolling. This can be done by setting a minimum height for the body. Fun fact, did you know that the first web pages were just plain text? We've come a long way in web design, and now we can create stunning visuals with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests adding a div element to your page. This div can be styled to create a background color only at the top. Set its height to 1000 pixels, give it a background color, and position it fixed at the top. This way, the overflow color will only show at the top when scrolling. Alternatively, you can achieve this effect using pure CSS. By adding a pseudo element to the HTML, you can set its position to fixed, giving it a height and background color. This will also ensure the background color appears only at the top when scrolling. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your designs on multiple devices. This ensures that your background colors and gradients look great no matter where your users are viewing your site. And there you have it. You now know how to set the background color of a page when scrolling off the body. Remember, testing is key to a great user experience. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video on advanced CSS techniques.